Well, my wife bought me this garden kneeler seat. It's a Uten brand. We got it from Temu. So let's see what it looks like in here. It's kind of like Christmas in May. That's a mini chair. Has instructions. Let's open it up. It's got, the seat's kind of like a foam kind of seat. Turn this way. It's pretty comfortable. It's firm on your bum. It has these units to put over the arms to store your tools and your gloves in there. I can sit on this and have me a nice cold lemonade. And then also, you just flip it over to do some, oh, it's comfortable on your knees too, but you just start weeding your garden and have that thing productive so you can have healthy crops. Like I said, this is off of Temu. Just got to figure out how to break it down, but I'll learn that. And there it is. Just got to squeak engage these. These two little clips for Temu brand. It's not that bad. I'm happy with the results. So I want to say thank you to my wife for getting me this. It'll help me to be comfortable as I do my gardening. And I also want to say thank you for watching. And here's another video.